Tunayo akagambo kamu okuva Vivian.
Praise God.
Lindako ebyo bye mugamba oyes abalenzi ba wano mbamanyi muyesize eri ku muwala wange ndi mugambwe. My first daughter, if anybody coughs, tell me.
Praise God. My name is Ankunda Vivian, the firstborn child of the late Mr. Muhumuza Richard and Shabe Jovia, now the first daughter of Pastor Bujjingo. And then I thank God for this day. I thank God for everything, for the massive celebration, though my dad is not around. But then I thank God, because if God had taken him instead, this wouldn't have happened. None of you would be here, everything would be gone. But then we thank God for each and everything. I want to thank God for my dad, for everything that he instilled in me and impacted on me. And I also thank God for Aunt Suzan. May God bless you. I love you. And thank you for Pastor Bujjingo. He's now my father. And thank him for loving us, me and my siblings, from ever since this year started. Even last year, when it was ending, he has been there. Then now he paid everything for first term. Okay. Then I want to thank God that he has not been there just to provide for us, but he has loved us as his daughters. And I thank God and I pray his heart will always be with us and he will always love us until eternity. And then I want to thank God for everything that he has done for us and for everyone who has worked in Salt Media, those who have worked for a decade, and those who just came in and who have been there. And also I want to thank God again for Pastor. I love you so much. Yes. I thank God for my mom. I love you. And I always love you. And my sisters, Valetti, Valen, even my brother, Vian. I love you.